Hey, John Durham, realtor slash broker for the Durham Executive Group and REMAX Results. I work with my wife, Becky, who's also a licensed realtor in Minnesota and Wisconsin, similar to myself. Together, we have approximately 40 years of successful real estate experience together. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Stillwater, Minnesota, and kind of what's been going on in the housing market, comparing the most current housing market information, which is June of 2022. And we're going to compare it to June of 2021 to kind of show kind of what's changing as we're several months into what we call a housing market correction due to the US economy and increased mortgage interest rates that are being done by the feds to basically try to offset and correct the inflation, okay? So the end result is the demand for home purchasing is softening and will continue to slow throughout the remainder of this year in 2022. And I expect it probably going to also start 2023 the same way. With fewer buyers, the demand softens and the housing market inventory will slowly increase with homes sitting on the market a little bit longer, which in turn will cause some home appreciation to start flatlining throughout the remainder of this year and into next year. So how do these changes affect the home sellers and home buyers? It means more, better home affordability for buyers. It's going to improve home appreciation. Probably is going to start declining and flatlining as we go through the rest of this year, especially into the winter. Homes will sit on the market longer. There's going to be fewer multiple offers to push those prices up. You're not going to see appraisal gap clauses in offers as often. Home inspections will start taking place more frequently, which is a good thing. And more buyers are probably going to start using adjustable rate mortgages, which we really haven't seen for quite some time. As the housing market corrects, we may end up close to what we call a balanced housing market sometime in 2023, where there really is no clear advantage in negotiations between sellers and buyers, like we've seen the last, say, 2 years, with sellers having such an advantage based on supply and demand issues. Okay, let's talk specifically about the Stillwater housing market in June of 2022. And to be quite honest, I'm seeing some conflicting information because we're using the most current data in June of 2022, but frankly, that's when the properties closed. So they went under contract in April and May, just happened to be closed in 2022. And there's quite a bit, I think, that's happening since April and May that is going to show up once we get into, say, July and August, and it will become more clear. But the confusing information is that new listings in Stillwater increased 26% over June of 2021. But we saw a fairly significant decrease in the median average sale price during that same time frame. Closed sales dropped about 12% in June of 2022 over 2021. And we see the month supply of inventory, which is really kind of what causes me to kind of pause a little bit, is still only 1.4 months supply, which is pretty low. Okay. And the other thing that is that since February, we're seeing fewer each month, consecutive months, we've seen fewer showings per listing. And so I think we're seeing the things that are important data points happening. And I think another month or two, we'll see, it'll be much more clear as it relates to Stillwater. So I encourage you to contact Becky and myself at 651-231-2191. Let's discuss your goals, your timeframes, so that we can help you take advantage of what's rapidly becoming a changing housing market the rest of this year and into 2023. Thank you for watching this video. Make it an awesome day. Bye-bye.